What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video again. It snowed. It did. So we're gonna drift today. But I just had to say one thing before we start. You're gonna see these uploads late, like the one of looking at houses and this vlog especially, because today I work till 4:15, and then when I get home I'm gonna post it like right away. But tomorrow I work till like 8 o'clock, so you'll see it around like 8:30. But let's get into the video right now, boys. So let's see if I can do this. I've been trying it with 2 feet, and honestly it's been working. It's been working like a lot better. There we go. Alright, let me turn my traction control off actually. Traction control's off. Alright, let's see. I'm not sure if this is all rocks, honestly. It probably is. But I'm gonna see how that looks. If it doesn't look good, I'm not gonna post it. Let's see if I can do this again. Yeah, I think this is like literally all rocks, so this isn't the best place to go. I know one more place, and if it's not plowed already like every other place, then we'll go there. But let's see. Oh yeah. But so they didn't plow it. I'm gonna try right now. Let me turn my traction control off again. But let's see. Hopefully I can do it. There's like a lot of potholes, so I'm trying to like make sure I don't hit it. Woo! Yeah, I don't think this school was a good idea. Just because of all the potholes I can hit. It's so annoying. Right there. Alright, let's see if I can go to like a place where I know there's not a lot of potholes. Alright, let's figure this out. Ooh. Alright, so I decided to go to, I forget what this place is called, but I went to some tire place to get my tire fixed. I have a slow leak, you guys know this, so I'm just waiting for my car to get done. I'm going to show you when my car gets pulled in, and I'll probably do a little video like while they're working on it, but after that, let's see what happens. I know I said I might end this video. I'm going to go check Linden. If I can't drift there, then I'm just going to end it.
last time I jacked my car up, my car was broke.
So I know that was a short video. It's mostly because they plowed everywhere, literally. If I can, after work, if I can get a video, I'll post more and you won't see this whatsoever. I'll throw it in. I'll throw it in either way. I'll throw it in. Just make the video a little bit longer. But if Linden isn't plowed, you're going to see a clip right after this. Like a whole bunch of them. And then I'll do my finishing intro. But if not, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. I'm not going to say see you in the next video because I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm done. So we'll see.